So, first chapter is about what is PHE, what is plumbing, okay, where it is derived, and what are the parts of plumbing, okay, what are the fittings we use generally, okay. First, we'll
Yeah,
discuss about that. You
yeah,
can
okay.
take out your notes and you can write down.
Yes. I'm taking the notes.
Yeah. Done?
Yes.
Yeah,
I already have the notes.
yeah. So, first is the definition of plumbing. What is plumbing? Okay, the definition of the real meaning. What is the plumbing? Okay,
Yeah,
plumbing generally is first for a building. What is the exact
yeah,
meaning of the plumbing is how you will use the water, okay, how
yeah,
you'll store the water in your day-to-day life and use it that water, okay, for
yeah,
taking bath, for cooking,
yeah,
for going toilets. You'll use it that stored water, okay.
yeah,
After that you dispose without any means creating hygienic way. You'll
yeah.
dispose that uses water to the existing drain, okay.
Yes,
That will go to the municipal drain or whatever it is. This is the
yes,
real meaning of the plumbing,
yes,
okay. First you should remember this word. You can write down the
yeah.
system in which,
The system in yeah. I wrote down it. I have noted that
yeah,
point.
the system in which it will tell about how to store water and how to use that storage water in
Yeah,
your day-to-day life, and then
yeah,
finally dispose that used water to the existing drain in a hygienic way.
yeah,
You can mention in a bracket in hygienic way. Not you will throw it means dispose it in open. Okay, that is not
yeah.
permittable as per plumbing
Yes,
law.
yeah,
Okay, this is done. First point. Second is what is PHE? Most of the people they also call plumbing as PHE. Okay,
yes,
actually, I will tell plumbing is a part of PHE.
yeah,
It makes sense, right?
yes,
What
yes, yes.
happen if you see plumbing? PHE
Yeah,
means it will divide into two systems. One is means plumbing. Plumbing means generally you use water for whatever in your day-to-day life. But PH is
yes,
together where you will store that STP, okay,
yeah,
treatment STP, WTP. This all comes your irrigation, water treatment plant. These all come in here,
yes.
okay. Reverse osmosis, RO plant. These all come here. So PHE is public health engineering. Okay,
Okay.
this is an interview question. Most of the they'll ask as a fresher, what is PHE? They will ask, what is the full form of PHE and what is the difference between PHE and plumbing? You have to define that.
Yeah.
PHE is a part of, I mean, plumbing is a part of a PHE. Okay,
Okay.
and in PHE, addition to plumbing, STP, WTP, RO plant. Okay, these are treatment of water. It is there,
Yeah.
right? This is called
Yes.
PHE. Next is the word plumbing is derived from word plumb. This is a Latin word. Okay, this means dealing with means art of working with lead. Lead means that
Yeah.
pipe only. That previously they used to use this lead pipe
Yes.
PB. Now they are not using this pipe.
Yeah.
Now we are using GI. Okay, GI pipe,
EPVC.
CPVC, plastics, all other pipes we are using. Okay, because lead is
Yes.
very difficult to work. Okay,
Yeah.
and cost also it is very high. That
Yes.
also as a designer you should
Yeah.
ensure that the cost of the project also come down, so that
Yeah.
that effective designing you should do it.
Yes, yes. And we know lead is more dangerous.
Yeah, yeah,
Due
yeah.
to lead, there's lot of
Lot of,
issues.
yeah, yeah, health issue, health hazard is there. Because
Yes,
of that only, it is we are not using nowadays. It has been
yes,
stopped.
yes,
Okay, we are not using lead anymore, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, this all cover our general plumbing. You have any doubts in this?
No, no, no.
No, we'll move forward, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
So next is different parts of plumbing. Okay,
yes.
we will talk about plumbing. We'll not talk about PHE.
Yeah.
PHE means what the separate part I told no. Treatment
In
plant.
addition to
Yeah,
that,
that
for
will.
plumbing, we have water treatment and
Yes,
sewage treatment.
yes, yes. That all we will discuss at the end. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yes,
there are in plumbing it is divided into basically four parts.
yes,
Okay. First is water supply. What you use in our day-to-day life.
yes.
Water. Water supply. Uses of water. I mean direct we are
The,
using for one second. Uh, we are using water supply. For example, toilet is there. Whatever water is
yes,
coming to your fixture, that is called water supply.
yes,
Suppose this is
yes.
WC or WP it is. This is WC.
Yeah,
Okay, what is
yes.
WC and WP? Water closet. This is okay.
Yeah,
This is wash basin. Okay, that we'll discuss
yeah,
in later part.
yeah.
So this incoming to the fixture is called water
Yes,
supply.
yes,
This is water supply.
yes.
Okay, and after using whatever it goes out is drainage.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yes.
first it is water supply which is coming to the fixture.
Yeah,
Second is drainage. After uses, whatever it is goes is drainage. Okay. Inside that, it will be internal drainage.
yeah.
Internal drainage means
And
from here to here, it will go to the shaft.
yeah,
Okay. From different block, it will come together in basement or somewhere. Then it will go to the external.
yes,
Okay. Then it will be external drainage. You
yes,
can write in bracket. You can write it. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Then vent also will come in this
Yeah,
also. Vent.
yeah,
You give anticipant pipe, no?
yeah,
Yeah, why we will give anti-suppon pipe, why it is required. We will have a different topic in that. Okay.
yeah,
Later we have just for the time being you remember this. We and drainage is divided into means internal drainage, external drainage, and
hello.
vent pipe. Clear?
Yeah, clear, clear.
Yeah, yeah. Next is storm water. Third and fourth is rainwater supply. Most of the people they have a doubt in these two. What is the difference between these two? Okay, most people think that these two
Yeah,
are same. Okay, but lot
yeah,
of
yeah,
difference is there in between storm water and rainwater. I will tell that. Rainwater is whatever it is coming in the terrace, your top of the
yeah,
means top of the tower terrace, that will be controlled. Okay, that will be collect and will go to the rainwater tank. Okay,
yes,
just you understand for the timing. Detail we'll have in later stage. Okay, in
yes, yes,
terrace, whatever it is there, no, rain will come, no. That time will
yes,
collect water. That collection will
yeah,
come into rainwater tank. After that, it will be
yes,
have some treatment process.
yes, yes,
Okay, some treatment process will happen. So after that, that water will
yes,
reuse it.
yes,
Okay, this is called rainwater. Okay, next is storm water. What is storm water? What happened in the basement and all? Basement also we will collect through podium. Okay, and in your balcony will be there, no? and flat is there,
Yes.
balcony will
Yes.
be there. Hmm? Balcony water
Yes.
we will not use in this tank.
Okay. Okay.
That water will dispose outside. Okay, it
Okay.
will take outside and will
Yeah.
we either use it or you'll throw it. Okay, we'll throw it basically because what happened during what happened when people wash it or some acid and all, everything will be there. No, they'll wash the
Yes.
floor. The acid content
Yes.
will be there, so that water we cannot use it here, right?
Mm.
This
Yes.
is the
Yes.
difference between these two. And storm water, what you call is storm water drainage. Also, it is there
Yes. Yes. Yes.
in basement drain. Water supply is there, and drainage
Yes.
also in basement. Yesterday I told you, na, car parking.
Yeah.
In basement, car parking is there. So this is your
Yeah.
driveway. In between driveway, one drain will be there. Some
Yeah.
300 or something based on your calculation.
Yes.
So that water will be collected in your some pit. Okay, will be collected in pit, and then you will have a pump. It will drain out to existing nala and all. Hmm?
Yes.
This is called storm water drainage.
Okay.
Clear? You're making note?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You can write down in between.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, water supply and drainage. Okay, this water we will use for treating.
Yeah. Okay.
This water will use for treating. So this is the difference
Okay.
between these two. Clear?
Yeah. Yes. Clear.
This is very important, very basic, and very even
Yeah.
experienced people also don't know what is the difference between this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear?
Yes. Even I used to think about storm and rain to be same.
Okay, okay. See, here 4 year, 5 year experience.
Yeah. I am almost 5 years
5 year,
experience.
yes, see. Even not your only, a lot of people have this
Yeah.
difference. Now it is clear what is the difference.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, very good, very good. Fine. Whatever doubt is there, you clarify then and there. Okay.
Yes.
If something is related to next point, means next chapter or something
Yeah.
later, I will tell what is where you remind me. That also. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Next is plumbing code. We are using plumbing code IPC International Plumbing Code 2012 or NBC Part 9 2016.
Yeah.
Okay, you know it. Yesterday only I showed you what is that. Hmm?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So next is that we will have detailed one at end. We have this topic.
Yeah.
After completing all the
Yeah.
basic and all, then we'll go into codes. Okay,
Yes.
what
Yes.
all code says. Yeah, based on that you have to design. Final design you'll give. Design you will do it. Okay,
Mhm.
but code also you have to follow along with that. Meanwhile, in during